Welcome to How to Garden. Just going to be walking through the garden looking at things. But I'm also going to take the opportunity to talk about something. See, kind of an announcement. I went and I did something. I joined a larger gardening community. It has been called Shed Wars. Now, this year they changed the name to Global Gardening and Homesteading Skills. Better reflects the point of what they're doing. It really doesn't have anything to do with sheds. Oh, look. Something went and killed that flower for me. Florida sun's something else now. I can show you a difference right here. Those tomatoes get more shade than these tomatoes, and you can see the difference. Crazy, right? Sun's the enemy. So, I've joined Global Gardening and Homesteading Skills. It's a global thing that goes on every year. We do things like show you how we're growing things and what our techniques are, why we're doing it. And that includes animals, plants, building things that support animals and plants.